Do you love desserts but worry about derailing your weight loss goals? We all have cravings, but what if I told you there's a simple way to enjoy your favorite treats without guilt? Welcome to the 3-bite rule, your secret weapon for satisfying cravings while staying on track. It's not about restricting yourself, it's about enjoying life's pleasures in moderation. Ready to find out more? Let's dive in. So, what exactly is the 3-bite rule? It's simple. Next time you're tempted by something sweet, take just 3 mindful bites. That's right, only 3. With each bite, savor the flavor, the texture, and the experience. You'll find that after 3 bites, you're satisfied without the need for more. You've enjoyed the treat without overindulging. The best part? You can still lose weight while treating yourself. It's the perfect balance between enjoyment and control. But why does the 3-bite rule work so well? Research shows that most of the pleasure we get from food comes in the first few bites. After that, our taste buds adjust, and the joy of eating starts to fade. By stopping at bite 3, you capture the most satisfying part of the experience without the extra calories. This mindful approach also helps you tune into your body, recognizing when you're truly satisfied instead of mindlessly overeating. You deserve to enjoy the foods you love without guilt. The 3-bite rule isn't just about portion control, it's about freedom. Freedom to enjoy a slice of cake at a birthday party or a cookie after dinner without feeling like you've sabotaged your progress. Imagine a life where you can have your cake and eat it too, literally. With the 3-bite rule, you can indulge and still move toward your weight loss goals. It's all about smart choices, and you have the power to make them. So the next time you're faced with temptation, don't stress. Just remember the 3-bite rule. Take a deep breath, enjoy those 3 bites, and then put down your fork with confidence. You'll feel more in control of your cravings, and you'll start to notice that this small habit can make a big difference in your weight loss journey. Give it a try today. You have nothing to lose except the extra pounds. If you found this tip helpful, hit the like button below and subscribe to our channel for more simple, effective weight loss tips that work in real life. And don't forget to share this video